Hola, buenos días. Soy Ruth y quiero presentar the Daily Word Builder by Dan Hall. Hoy voy a presentar la gente sencilla. That means I'm going to present the simple folk. La gente means people. And es interesante because people, la gente, that's a single noun. So we're going to use single verbs. And also es interesante because it's feminine. La gente. But it includes hombres, mujeres, all the genders, both the genders, whatever. La gente sencilla doesn't mean stupid people. It means simple people. No complicada. ¿Sí? La gente no complicada. En mi opinión, Elon Musk, por ejemplo, no es de la gente sencilla. And I'd like to give you a quote. The word beautiful is hermosa. And the quote is this. See if you can understand. Cuanto más sencilla es la gente, más hermosa resulta. I'll put a translation in the comments. Subscribe so you get the Daily Word Builder every day. Have a look at 100 Days of Spanish. And I will see you mañana for more exploration of this word sencillo. Sencillo, sencilla. Hasta mañana. Adiós.